So the first step here is you're gonna have multiple different pieces. You're gonna start with 2 pieces. You're gonna grab this side panel here, which is 2 feet wide, and then you're gonna grab the center panel, which is 4 feet wide. When you pick this center panel up, make sure you keep these horizontal. Otherwise, these aluminum inserts can slide out the end. Doesn't want to slide right now, but it can slide out. So just make sure you lift it up where they're horizontal. Once you have this lift up, you're gonna notice over on the side, there's 3 holes that are pre-drilled. One up top, one in the middle, one on the bottom. And you're gonna drill those into there or screw them in with an Allen key. And then that will be able to stand up just like this, kind of in a T shape. You'll also do the same thing on the other side. And when you go to screw these in, when you first screw it in with the Allen key, don't screw it in all the way so it's 100% tight. Leave it a little bit loose, get all 3 screws in, and then you can screw everything down nice and tight. So just like that. For the base, you'll have pre-drilled holes for the wheels. So you'll have 4 over there, 4 over here. Same thing goes for the other side. We already have the wheels in here now, but you'll go ahead and screw the wheels in there on both sides. Once you have the wheels on the base, you'll have 4 of them. You're gonna wanna flip this base upside down the same way that it's on here now. And what you'll do is you're gonna center this base on top of the H unit. So you'll have a little bit of an overhang there, a little bit of an overhang here. Same thing going this way. And then you'll see that there's these pre-drilled holes where you have basically 4 going on this side. And then when you go around to the other side, you will also have 4 pre-drilled holes. And from there, you wanna make sure you screw the screws straight down into the panel, and that will fix this in place. Now on the inside portion, you will also see that there's pre-drilled holes here. You have 2, 4, 6, 8 of them. And then what you'll do is go ahead and screw straight down in the center as well. And that will fix the rolling base to the H unit. And then you can flip the whole thing over and you are in business, ready to rock and roll. When you flip this back over, make sure you do it going this way. So on the 2-foot side, imagine if Andrew over here was the strongest guy in the world and he rotated it towards me. That's exactly how you flip it over. It's just a little bit easier to do it and get it back upright.